This video serves as a comprehensive guide to professional house cleaning in Calgary. We will cover essential tips and techniques to help you maintain a clean and hygienic home environment. From selecting the right cleaning tools and supplies to implementing effective cleaning strategies for different areas of the house, we've got you covered. Additionally, we'll delve into creating a personalized cleaning schedule tailored to fit your lifestyle. Lastly, we'll discuss the option of hiring professional cleaning services in Calgary, providing valuable insights into the benefits and considerations. Get ready to elevate your house cleaning game with our ultimate guide. When it comes to professional house cleaning, having the right tools and supplies is essential. In this segment, we'll delve into the must-have items for efficient cleaning. From powerful vacuum cleaners that tackle dust and debris to microfiber cloths and mops for pristine surfaces, we've got your cleaning arsenal covered. Additionally, we'll explore the use of eco-friendly cleaning solutions, promoting a sustainable and healthy approach to cleaning. Get ready to discover the tools and supplies that will elevate your house cleaning game in Calgary. Mastering proper cleaning techniques is paramount for achieving a spotless home. In this segment, we'll explore the precise cleaning methods and strategies tailored for different areas of the house. From the kitchen and bathroom to the living room and bedrooms, we'll unveil specific approaches to ensure a thorough and efficient cleaning process. Whether it's tackling grease and grime in the kitchen or maintaining a pristine bathroom, we've got you covered. Get ready to elevate your cleaning game with expert strategies designed to keep your home in Calgary sparkling clean. Maintaining a consistently clean and organized home begins with a well-crafted cleaning schedule. In this segment, we'll provide valuable insights into creating a personalized cleaning schedule that aligns with your individual preferences and lifestyle. We'll explore the factors to consider when designing a cleaning routine that is both effective and manageable, ensuring that every area of your home in Calgary receives the attention it deserves. From daily maintenance tasks to weekly deep cleaning, get ready to take control of your cleaning schedule and maintain a pristine living space. Considering professional cleaning services in Calgary? In this segment, we'll explore the option of enlisting the help of professional cleaners, highlighting the advantages and key considerations. From the convenience of outsourcing your cleaning tasks to experts to the potential time savings and superior results, we'll delve into the benefits of hiring professional cleaning services. Additionally, we'll address important considerations such as finding reputable cleaning companies and tailoring the services to meet your specific needs. Get ready to uncover the potential of professional cleaning services in maintaining a pristine and stress-free home in Calgary.